Welcome to Kevin's Home Show. This is a show where we educate people about the real estate and mortgage industry. Today, let's talk about the mortgage process. Getting a home loan can be a daunting experience if you're not working with an experienced professional. I've worked hard to streamline the mortgage process to make it as simple and stress-free as possible. Here are 10 easy steps to home financing. Number 1, consultation with a knowledgeable mortgage advisor to complete the loan application. This can be done by phone, online, or in person and normally takes less than an hour. We ask you questions that you already know the answers to and complete your loan application. Number 2, next we obtain 6 to 8 pieces of information that helps us document your income, such as pay stubs, W-2, income taxes, etc., your assets, such as bank statements, retirement statements, etc. Number 3, after we review all of that, we check your credit. Usually with a mid-credit score of 640 or higher, we can get you pre-approved if the debt-to-income ratio isn't too high. We can let you know within minutes if you qualify or help you on the path to being able to qualify in the months ahead. Number 4, with your pre-approval letter in hand, you will now know how much you qualify for and approximate what your total monthly payment will be. When you make an offer on a home, this is a powerful piece of paper to have, as it tells the seller that you've spent time with an experienced professional and have provided the documentation so that you qualify to buy their home. Number 5, after your offer is accepted, you will want to do a property inspection. This is where you hire a home inspector to go through the home and to find out if anything needs to be repaired. You will get a complete report upon the completion of the inspection. You and your realtor will review the report and together decide which items you will ask the seller to repair. The seller may or may not agree to repair the items requested. Depending upon the outcome, we move forward or the deal dies and you don't buy that home. Number 6, if the inspection issues are resolved, which most of the time they are, then my loan processor orders the appraisal. The appraiser is a trained professional third party to the transaction. He is hired to give an opinion of value. Appraisers look at the similar style homes that have sold within the last 6 months, within a mile of the home you're buying, built within 5 years plus or minus, and usually within 10% of the livable square footage. Then the appraiser writes an appraisal which includes report, photos, etc. The underwriter has a good idea about the property specifics and the value they are looking at and they are loaning the money on. You will receive a copy of your appraisal at closing. Number 7, next you will contact your homeowner's insurance agent about the property that you're buying. Your insurance agent will send us the information we need to underwrite your loan, including the premium amount. But the coverage doesn't actually start until we close on your home. Behind the scenes, my processor is processing your loan, which means she's ordering tax transcripts, verifying employment, making sure the file is complete prior to submitting your loan to underwriting. Number 8, an important step in the process is underwriting. Up until now, we've looked at your loan to make sure it meets the guidelines for the loan program you want to qualify for. The underwriter looks at all aspects of your loan and makes the final decision as to whether you're approved or not. Number 9, once we get loan approval from the underwriter, we may have some loan conditions to meet. This may require further explanation of something in your file. We meet those conditions, the underwriter signs off on them, we get it clear to close, and we do the happy dance. Number 10, finally, after about 30 days of processing and underwriting your loan, we are ready to close. You will come to the title company to close your loan. You'll have to show your driver's license or a form of photo ID, sign the loan paperwork. The closing usually takes about 30 to 45 minutes. The escrow officer will be sure everything is signed properly and will record the deed of trust with the county. Now it's time to move. Congratulations, you've achieved the dream of home ownership. So there you have it, 10 easy steps to home financing. That's it for today's show. Let me know if you have any real estate or mortgage questions. I look forward to seeing you next time.